I created a Discord bot for my community, but I want to tell you two things. Number one, I have no idea how to create Discord bots, and number two, I have no idea what Discord bots can actually do, which basically sets up a couple of cron jobs here, one for the quiz and one for the answer, and basically this is the result. So the bot automatically sends here, this is the question, where you can reply with an emoji, and then the day after it sends the result, and also you can get added to the quiz group if you react with the trophy emoji, so that you get notified when a quiz is posted. And the code to make it was really straightforward, so I send the quiz and I add the emojis, and similarly I send the answer, do a few checks, and I add the trophy reaction to make sure that it is easier to select for new users. One more thing to contribute is actually by adding more quizzes. The data is here. Maybe I could put it somewhere else, maybe in a database, but I don't really care, there are no secrets here. So if you want to add new quizzes, just send a PR and I will be really happy to review it. And yeah, this is the first and easiest way to contribute to the bot, adding new quizzes. And then the obvious feature that every bot has is that every time a new member joins the channel, a message is sent in the welcome channel. If I go here, you can see that every time someone joins, this message is sent. So it's pretty easy, there are no particular amazing feature, and that's why I want your help. Just go here on the repository, and the first thing that is missing here is probably a readme. So if you want to write a readme for me, please do it, thank you. By the way, there's also a super secret feature that happens when someone sends a message, but I leave it there. If you want to know the feature, well, have a look at the repository. But what are my plans for the future? Well, I created a couple issues here. The first was just to keep track of the quiz feature, and there's a lot of room for improvement. And then a couple other features I'd like to add is, first of all, count the users. There's already a channel here that is updated with this bot. Well, I just want to learn how to do it, so I would really love my bot to do the same. If you know how to do that, go ahead, here's the issue. Or, well, I might do that one day. And another feature that I literally have no idea how to do is I would like to send a message in the announcement channel every time a new video is published. So far I'm doing it manually and I always forget about adding the message here. So if the bot does that automatically, well, that's just better. As usual, the main goal of writing this bot is just learning how to do Discord bots and obviously having fun together. So if you also want to join this project, this is the URL. Obviously it's called Bot Leonardo because why not? And if you're curious about what we do in our community, you can join here with basically creating an issue. It's super easy. And this is our manifesto. But in particular, the goal is learning web development together through open source project. And this is exactly, for example, this one. It's an open source project specifically designed to learning something together. With that said, thanks for watching this video and see you in the Discord server. The link is in the description. Bye, see you there.